If you're committed to firing your boss and going full-time online as an internet entrepreneur, here are 3 things that you should be adding on this year. First is additional streams of income. As an entrepreneur, it's very common for us to experience our income having up months and down months. Our income can be more volatile compared to the income of a 9-to-5 employee. And that lack of stability in the income is what keeps a lot of people from bridging the gap from kind of a night and weekend side hustle to going full-time online, which is why you want to add on additional streams of income to your business. And what happens when you get to 6, 7, 8, or even dozens of different streams of income like my wife and I have is if 1 or 2 of those income streams start to get more volatile, meaning you got a down month and an up month and a down month, the other income streams will smooth out your overall monthly cash flow numbers. Now, what does this look like inside of an online business? Well, first, if you're just publishing to YouTube or you're publishing to a blog and you're earning revenue through ad income, right, from displaying ads on YouTube or displaying ads on your blog, then you might want to start adding on affiliate revenue where you review and recommend products as an affiliate in order to generate additional streams of income. And if you've got both of those going, that's when it's time to start looking at potentially creating your own products, making your own offers, whether it's coaching, consulting services, or whether it's ebooks, video courses, and digital downloadable info products. It's a wide world of opportunity for you as an entrepreneur to be of greater service to your audience when you create your own offers. But remember, even as an affiliate, it's generally speaking very easy to add on 2, 3, 4, or 5 new streams of income each and every year by simply doing the right type of research to find those offers that your audience already wants to buy that you can simply promote as an affiliate. So no matter how you go about it, right? You've got an affiliate site that's not running ads yet and you add on advertising to start generating additional streams of income, or you've got a YouTube channel that has ads and affiliate revenue, but you're going to start adding on your own courses in order to generate additional streams of revenue. That process of actually creating multiple streams of revenue inside of your business is the thing that's going to help you have that stable, consistent, long-term income that's going to allow you to be more comfortable and more ready letting go of that day job, going all in on your entrepreneurial endeavors. And this brings us to number 2, which is to add on recurring income streams. Now, a recurring income stream is generally speaking when someone pays month after month after month for continued access to software, to a newsletter, to a course, to a membership program, to a mentorship program, etc., etc., etc. Now, you don't actually have to go create the software, the membership program, or the offer, right? You can be an affiliate and go find those affiliate offers that have recurring revenue for you via recurring commissions. The other way to go about it, which is what my wife and I have done, is to actually create your own ongoing membership program. And the power in adding on additional streams of revenue that have recurring revenue built in is once you've gone out and got 15, 20 customers or 100 customers, you're then able to count on that same commission or revenue structure coming in each and every month. Yes, you're going to have some people churn out of the membership program, right? There's going to be some people who cancel their account each month, but generally speaking, that's down around 3, 4, 5%, or maybe 10% of people will churn out. So as long as you're just bringing in 10% new people each and every month into whatever offer that is that has that recurring benefit for you as the vendor in that, then you are going to see that your income compounds month after month after month. So if you have 100 people on a recurring product and the next month you bring in 10 more, then you've got 110. The next month you bring in 11 more because that's a 10% increase. Now you're at 121. Then you bring in 10% more and now you're bringing in 12 new people each and every month. And when your growth rate is greater than your churn rate, not only are you going to see a very consistent amount of income, but you're going to watch that income go up and up and up consistently each each and every month. My friend Dave Wooding from IntegratePro.com, who's helped me out with all of my integration stuff behind the scenes of my business, has always called recurring revenue the holy grail of internet income. And it is one of those things that it's worth you really figuring out, is there a software tool that my audience needs, wants, or already uses that I can promote to the rest of my audience? Is there a newsletter? Is there an ongoing membership? Is there some sort of a community that I could promote that has recurring commissions for me as the affiliate in there? That's also a really good and useful tool or program for my audience. And if you don't find one, or if you do find one, but you don't like how they're selling it and you want to go create your own, you can just open yourself up to fantastic margins with wonderful numbers within your business when you build out your own membership programs. My wife and I have been running a membership program for over 10 years now, and that we have some members who have been with us literally for 10 years at this point in time, and they've been paying each and every month happily to get a couple of new MP3s each and every month for my wife and I. And they've been paying month after month after month for year after year. And that stability in income, that knowing that next month and the month after, I'm going to have hundreds and hundreds of members rebilling happily each and every month. That is how you really build that confidence to be able to let go of the day job, to be able to get mortgages, to be able to afford your car payments, to pay for insurances, and all those kind of ongoing costs that we have in our lives. Building recurring revenue streams inside of your business is how you can kind of automate the cash flow that you need without the desk job, right? Again, it really does come back to this consciously building out systems that are going to help you have that dependable, reliable, and consistent cash flow stream so you can have that stability that you need to really confidently go out on your own. And number 3 is to create and implement an automated email list growth system. Now, email marketing is the most important bridge for you to cross on your journey as an entrepreneur, because that is the only traffic source that you actually own. Now, a really good example of this is this YouTube video right here and now. Make no mistake, this is YouTube's traffic, right? You are one of YouTube's customers, and if YouTube so chooses, they can literally turn me off and they can just shut down my channel and they can shut down all of my videos, right? They have a big red button that says delete account of Miles Beckler. Now, I'm doing everything that I can to play by their rules and to be a partner with them as a partner creator here on YouTube to make sure that it's a win-win scenario and to increase the longevity of my channel here. But I know that an algorithm change here on YouTube, or if something goes haywire on YouTube, there is a risk of me getting cut off from my traffic source. And the same is true on Google, right? If you're blogging on Google and you're getting traffic from Google, but then they run some sort of a new algorithm update, Google can actually sever your ability to drive traffic. It's the same thing we saw with Facebook on the Facebook fan pages. You've seen it with TikTok, every platform, okay? Pinterest, all of the platforms out there, Instagram, whatever they are, the platform owns the traffic. And that's not until you actually grow your email list that you have traffic that you own. And once you own your traffic, you can create a new sale. You can get the messaging about your sale out in front of all of your people. You can do whatever it is that you so choose, because that is traffic that you own. So how do you actually go about building one of these automated email list growth systems? Well, it depends on where you're getting your traffic from. Okay. So on one hand, if you're using a blog for traffic, what you'll want to do is create a lead magnet and a pop-up. Now, the pop-up is what displays over top of your blog post when a user is reading, and it's going to make an offer for your lead magnet. It's going to give them a chance to enter their email address and get that thing that you're giving away. Now, with a pop-up on a blog, generally speaking, you're going to see 1 to 5% of people who see that pop-up are going to convert and grow into your and join your list, right? You're going to see the growth of your email list by about 1 to 5% of the traffic to your website. When you're running a YouTube channel, when you're building your brand based on social media, you're going to need to use what's called a landing page. And this is a dedicated opt-in page, sometimes referenced as a squeeze page, where the user is going to have essentially one option on the page. That's to take that step to get your freebie. If you want to see an example of one of these in action, you can go to milesbeckler.com/free, where you can go get access to my affiliate marketing crash course that teaches the 11-step process that I use to take a brand new domain in a niche I wasn't an expert in and to grow that to over $100,000 in revenue fast. Okay, so you can learn everything. You can see the step-by-step course, but what you're really doing is you're seeing in action right here and now how I, as a YouTuber, have to get you to leave to my actual website, to my landing page, in order to present you with that opportunity to join my list. And what this means is far fewer people are going to go see that offer compared to showing it as a pop-up on my blog, but the numbers of those folks who see that and convert go up drastically. It's very common to have 50%, 60%, and even 70% conversion rates on your landing pages and your squeeze pages. So you get higher conversion rates, but you have less people seeing it. And this is one of the reasons why I do recommend and I love blogging, because blogging allows you to get massive amounts of traffic from Google, and then you could just start displaying your pop-up over top of your blog posts, which means that Google traffic is going to be jumping on your list. And it's often well known that folks who enter your ecosystem through a search engine like Google, they're generally better customers, and it's generally higher value traffic versus folks who find you as you interrupt them on social media. But ultimately, what you really need to think about is safeguarding your cash flow. Right? That was number 1 and 2 on this list today. Multiple streams of income and adding on recurring income streams. That's going to safeguard and stabilize your long-term cash flow. But then you need to safeguard and stabilize your traffic as well, which is why email marketing becomes that most important component once you're in motion creating content and publishing and you're growing your audience through social or through YouTube or through blogging. And that right there are the 3 keys to building up your traffic, your asset, and ultimately your cash flow in a way that will free you from the 9 to 5, that will free you from the rat race, allowing you to confidently fire your boss and break out on your own. You can do it. If you have questions for me about the process, get at me in the comments below. Please give this video a thumbs up. A little love for the algorithm goes a long way. I do appreciate that, and I look forward to connecting with you on the next video. Until then, be well.